If you're a landlord in Mississippi, a detailed residential lease agreement is a must-have to protect both you and your businesses. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Andrew Chung with DoorLoop. Today, we're diving into an important topic for Mississippi landlords, the Mississippi Residential Lease Agreement. Let's start with what to include in your lease agreement. You should include information about the landlord, tenant, and any other party acting on behalf of the landlord or property owner, the agreed monthly rent amount, any fees and costs including a return check fee, landlord entry norms, warranty of habitability, details about security deposits, and lease termination and eviction conditions. As far as mandatory disclosures go, there aren't any specified by state laws in Mississippi. However, it's advisable to disclose potential hazards or health risks such as mold or asbestos to prevent future liability. Nationally, there's the lead-based paint disclosure. If your rental property was built before 1978, you need to inform prospective tenants about potential lead-based paint exposure. Building a lease agreement can seem complex, but it doesn't have to be. That's where DoorLoop comes in. Our innovative and intuitive automation software makes it easy to create and manage your rental agreements. With DoorLoop, you have the freedom to personalize your leasing document to ensure it meets your needs and complies with rental laws. You can send your lease agreement to your tenant and manage your properties on one platform. And you can even sign leases electronically. With DoorLoop, e-signatures for leases can be done in just a couple of clicks. DoorLoop makes it simple to find the best tenants by syndicating your listings on popular websites like Zillow, Trulia, and more. To learn more about DoorLoop, schedule a free demo. Click on the link in the description below. Before we get to some frequently asked questions, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number one is, besides a Mississippi commercial lease agreement and a residential agreement, what other types of rental contracts are there? Other common types of lease agreements include month-to-month agreements, sublease agreements, rent-to-own agreements, and roommate agreements. Question number two. When must the security deposit be returned to a tenant? The security deposit must be returned within 45 days from the end of the rental lease term. Question number three. Is there a rent grace period in Mississippi? There is no statutory rent grace period in Mississippi, but if a landlord allows a grace period, it must be clearly stated in the rental agreement. And question number four. How are disputes handled? Disputes can be taken to the Mississippi Small Claims Court, which handles cases worth up to $3,500. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.